Coolest truck on the yard goes to this one right here. Sherry and Christina teamed up with Stripes and Stuff to design a truck with family at the heart of it. The puzzle pieces on the side of the hood represent their support for their family members who live with autism. The hood features Sherry and Christina themselves, offering a fun and meaningful way to reflect who they are. They also wanted to include another family element to the design, bringing their hometown on the road with them. Since Mobile, Alabama is where Mardi Gras originated, they added the city's name along with beads to show the love where they are from. To complete the look, they also added some stuff to the interior of the truck with lighting and pictures of their family to give it a personal touch. Thank you so much, Sherry and Christina, for your design, and make sure to tune in next time for Coolest Truck on the Yard.